Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg. This is a 70 Chevelle, and there's a 502 RamJet GM Performance motor under the hood of this dude. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can see how nice and clean the bottom side is. We're gonna get out and drive it with that 502. We're gonna show you the interior. We're gonna get inside the trunk. We'll show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. So come on up. We're gonna fire this 502 RamJet up for you right now. Check this beauty out, man. Black stripes, beautiful red paint, and I tell you, the coolest part is what you just took a look at. That 502 RamJet GM Performance Power under the hood. The chrome on the front bumper looks good. The headlight bezels look great. The grill's in good shape. The hood pins, you're gonna need them with all that horsepower under there. You don't want that hood coming up on you. Now look down the side of it. She's nice and straight. Got a great looking set of wheels and tires on it. And right there, 502 in this baby. She is sweet, guys. All the lines are lining up nice and flush here. Doors operating nice and smooth. You see the door jambs nicely painted. The rubber was replaced. The door panel itself's in good shape. Inside here, we actually have a bench seat car. That makes it great. That makes it a 6-passenger. So if you've got some kids to haul around, this is your hot rod right here, guys. Headliner's in good shape. We got the shoulder belts for when you go to the track with it. The dash itself's got aftermarket gauges mounted into the stock locations. They look like they belong there. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. Just a gorgeous car. Quarters nice and straight. Stripes on the back are looking tough. We got our SS pad here on the rear bumper. It's got the stock Aperion exhaust coming out the back here. Inside the trunk, look at that, nice and clean. Those quarters are nice and clean. The wheel wells are nice and solid. I always check out the gutters here around the edge of the trunk. See how nice and clean those are? Those take a lot of abuse of a car that's had to work its whole life. The lips here are all nice and smooth. When you look down the side, she's straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Chevelle. So we've taken the time to check it out before we bought it. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he can tell you anything you want to know about this car. If you want some additional pictures of any areas on the car, just talk to Tom. He'll get you whatever you need. Now we've got about 230 cars in stock and we own every one of them. We bring in about 40 new ones every month, so we've always got new inventory coming in. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience buying muscle cars, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, Chevelle time, 502 RamJet time. And if you don't know what RamJet means, that's fuel injection. So it's got a GM Performance crate 502 with the GM Performance RamJet fuel injection setup on it. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. Let's get around this semi truck here. I tell you, the exhaust sounds great. It's a Chevelle, it's got a new motor in it, it's red, got some black stripes, driving awesome. I tell you, What a sweet ride we've got right here. And you know what? We can ship it anywhere in the world. Hey, here's one of our guys driving a Le Mans convertible, out doing a test drive. So let's get back to the video. So we can ship this thing anywhere in the world, and if you need some help with financing, we got you covered in that department too. We got 3 bankers we work with all the time. It takes about 15 minutes to get you financed, or you can fill it out online. Go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Just an easy process. Call Tom and he'll walk you through the whole thing. Get down here on the dash. Now, I know those gauges look like they're factory. They're in the factory location, but those are actually aftermarket gauges put in the factory location, so they look like they belong there. Also, it's got a radio that looks like it's in the factory location, and it's a new style radio too. So you got new style power, new style fuel injection, you get everything you need, and you're driving a Chevelle, guys. Give Tom a call at 248-974-9513, and he will take great care of you. Now, he answers the phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day, so call him anytime. If you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you come out. We don't get a lot of visitors because we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, so we'd love to have you come out and visit. Now, we're only about 20 minutes from the airport. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up if you need a ride. If you'd like to drive in on a Saturday, we're here till 3 o'clock on Saturday. Just let Tom know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite vehicle right up front where we can get at it. We've got 80,000 square feet, but we do have 230 cars. So sometimes it may take a minute to dig it out. Now here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this beauty up on the rack so you can check out the underside, and you can bet we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that 502 RamJet power. All right, we're underneath this 70 Chevelle now, and look at that. Custom aluminum gas tank, isn't that cool? Look at that TIG weld there, man, that is beautiful. The frame looks great, trunk floor looks good, the exhaust system's new. We got a 12-bolt rear end here, right around the 323 gear, and it is posi. It's got the reinforced lower control arms on it. Frame is in good shape, backside of the rockers look nice and solid, and look at these floorboards. Floorboards in the car are beautiful. They're in great shape. They look to be original to the car, so you know the car's had a cushy life its entire life, because these floorboards look all original. Either that or this baby lived out in Arizona and was very well cared for. We got a turbo 400 trans. That's a 3-speed automatic, guys. Some big tube headers. We got that 502 GM Performance crate motor up front. We got a big sway bar here. We got serpentine belt set up here. Core support's in good shape. AC condensers up here. Chrome on the front bumper looks great. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Just an amazing looking car underneath. Now let's look at wheels and tires. So check out that front wheel there, man. The SS wheels look great. They look brand new. The trim rings look good. The center caps also look great. We got two 35/60 15s up front. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, let's see, we got a little more rubber back here. We got two 45/60 15s. Again, the wheels look new, the nuts look new, center caps look great, and so do the trim rings. Let's get under the hood and take a look at the power. All right, under the hood here, we got the 502 with the RamJet, guys. That's fuel injection, that's a GM Performance crate motor there. The car does have air conditioning. It's got the aftermarket pump on it. It's got the aftermarket serpentine belt set up on it. It does have power steering. It does have power brakes. Great looking bottom side of the hood here. Everything's painted up nice. Optima battery, big cross-flow radiator. Just a beautiful build, and of course, the horsepower is what I love. 502 GM Performance crate motor, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.